Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Tiru sir, your SST teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Kharche Talent English Medium School, Muktainagar. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss about the glove, the map point of the glove. So, let us see first. Just you see, two types of lines will be here, and first we will discuss poles. North side is known as North Pole, and south side is known as South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. Both are connecting number of lines. Both of poles are connecting number of lines. That is called longitude. What did you say? Longitude. Longitude. And parallel lines which is present, that is known as latitude. This is what you say? Latitude. Okay, just to write latitude. Keep in mind properly. Horizontal line, longitude, and parallel lines, latitude. Understand? Among them, here we will discuss 0 degree longitude and 0 degree latitude. Then we have other things. So first we will discuss latitude. This is called 0 degree latitude. 0 degree latitude, another name is longest latitude, biggest latitude, फिर इसको बोलते हैं इक्वेटर. Zero degree longitude, three names. 0 degree longitude, biggest latitude, 0 degree latitude, biggest latitude, and equator. Then after here 23 half degree, 23 half degree, here 66 half degree. The same way here 23 half degree, or here 66 half degree. This is called Tropic of Cancer. This is called Arctic Circle. This is called Tropic of Capricorn, and this is called Antarctica Circle. Understand? So this is the process. Everything you have to neat and cleanly you have to understand. Which direction? What do you see? South direction, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctica Circle. Northern side, Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circles. So 100% you have to keep in mind. So these are the only lines. Okay. So one more thing here, 0 degree longitude. 0 degree longitude. 0 degree longitude, what do you say? Prime meridian times you can say Greenwich prime meridian, GMT, Greenwich meridians or prime meridians times, or this is also known as 0 degree longitude. This is also known as 0 degree longitude. So these all the things is keep in your mind very carefully. So North Pole is 90 degree, South Pole is also 90 degree. Anything may come in the examination. So that's why each and every point just keep in mind properly and clearly, that you can understand better. Otherwise your choice. And why did I given this map? I would like to give this map means that this map you can draw it properly. Why? Because this type of map it may be some rare case it can available, but It is, you can draw it. The most easiest thing is you can draw it and you can just point the just put the point. What is the questions will be given for you, right? So these are the things is 90 degree poles, and so both the poles coming under the 90 degrees. Understand? Is it clear? Yes or not? What? First, 0 degree latitude, biggest latitude or equator is known as middle of the point. Then after 23 half degree, Tropic of Cancer. 66 half degree north is known as Arctic circles. The same way 23 half degree south latitude is known as Tropic of Capricorn. The same way 66 half degree south latitude is known as Arctic circles. Then after both of North Pole and South Pole, North Pole is 90 degrees and South Pole is also 90 degree. Next, one more things, generally the total globe has been divided into 4 hemispheres. Just like you can say it is dividing like this. It is dividing like this. This is this whole part northern hemisphere, this whole part southern hemisphere. The same way these all the part eastern hemisphere, this all the part western hemisphere. So in this way the earth divided into 4 parts and 4 hemisphere. Okay, over, clear? Now we are going to discuss now zones, I mean temperatures, in which place what type of temperature are occur, regarding that we are going to discuss now, right? First things, just to see, equator both of side, equator both of side, this is called torrid zone, TORRIED, torrid zone. What did you say? Torrid zone. The same way, just a Tropic of Cancer, I mean both of side, this is both of side, this is called moderate climate, moderate zone, temperate zone, TEMPERATE, temperate zone. Okay, so equator both of side will come the torrid zone. Just to keep in mind, equator both of side will come torrid zone. The same way in the Tropic of Cancer and south side Tropic of Capricorn, its both of side are coming under the temperate zone. What do you say? Temperate zone. Then after, now these Arctic circles and here Antarctica circles, these both of side came freeze zone, FRIGID, freeze zone. These both of side what is known as freeze zone. Freeze zone. So how many zones came? 3: torrid zone, temperate zone and freeze zone. Torrid zone generally comes under the equator both of side, and then after temperate zone is coming under the between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer both of side will come as a temperate zone. The same way Tropic of Cancer both of side are coming under the temperate zone. The same process both of northern part and the southern part. This Arctic circle, Arctic zone, Arctic circles, its both of side will come under the freeze zone. The same way southern side Arctic circle total filled with freeze zone. So in this way the world has been total divided into 3 zones. One is middle part. It is started from the middle part. Okay, it is started from the middle part. First one is torrid zone, then after temperate zone, then after freeze zone. So these all things you have to keep in your mind properly and clearly. This all the things will come only 5 points will come to you. So these all the things keep in mind properly, that you can understand better. So next point, is there anything we left? I think over. So first it is all the things is you also try like this, how I have written one by one, I have pointed out. So how you can point out? Just you can give the arrow mark, okay, and you write it outside. Just make a outside, okay. Just ऐसा arrow mark देना और लिखने का. देखो मैंने क्या ऐसा जो arrow mark दे के लिखा, आप लोग को भी ऐसा arrow mark दे के लिख सकते. और दूसरी बात, ये जो मैप आपको कहाँ पे भी खरीद लेने ज़रूरत नहीं, आप खुद बना सकते और खुद लिख भी सकते. सो आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड बेटरली. ओके, सो द स्टूडेंट्स, so I hope you better understand. So till if you have any doubt to understand this map, so definitely you can ask to me, and you may any screenshot that helps you better to understand, and you watch this video which properly, that each and everything clearly you can understand it. Okay, so dear students, till then keep watching. Bye bye and have a nice day for the examination.